Today I am reviewing the HP 24-inch 100Hz IPS monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a clean, reliable, and affordable monitor for everyday use, whether it's work, study, or casual entertainment, the HP 24-inch 100Hz IPS monitor might be exactly what you need. This latest 2026 model replaces the popular M24F, and it brings a few meaningful upgrades while keeping the overall experience simple, modern, and practical. Let's start with the display, because that's the core of any monitor. You're getting a 24-inch full HD panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Now, at this size, 1080p still looks sharp and clear, making it ideal for everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, streaming, and even light gaming. What makes this panel stand out is the IPS technology. IPS displays are known for their excellent color consistency and wide viewing angles, and this monitor delivers on both. Whether you're sitting directly in front or viewing from the side, colors remain accurate and stable. This is especially useful if you're sharing your screen or working in a multi-monitor setup. Another nice upgrade here is the 100 Hz refresh rate. While most standard office monitors stick to 60 Hz, this one offers smoother motion, which you'll immediately notice when scrolling through web pages, watching videos, or even doing light gaming. It's not designed as a hardcore gaming monitor, but the added smoothness makes everyday usage feel more responsive and modern. Brightness is rated at 300 nits, which is more than enough for indoor environments. Whether you're working during the day or watching content at night, the screen remains comfortably visible without looking washed out. The anti-glare coating also helps reduce reflections, which is great if you're using it in a brightly lit room. Now, comfort is another area where this monitor performs well. HP has included a flicker-free panel along with a low blue light filter. These features help reduce eye strain during long hours of use, whether you're studying, working, or binge-watching your favorite shows. Over time, this can make a big difference in overall comfort. Design-wise, the monitor is clean and minimal, which is exactly what most people want for a workspace. It features a thin, lightweight build with ultra-slim bezels on 3 sides. This not only makes the monitor look modern, but also makes it perfect for dual monitor setups. When placed side by side, the thin borders create a nearly seamless viewing experience. There's also built-in cable management, which helps keep your desk looking neat and organized. It's a small detail, but it contributes to a cleaner overall setup. In terms of ergonomics, the monitor supports tilt adjustment from -5 to +25 degrees. While it doesn't offer height adjustment or swivel, the tilt feature still allows you to find a comfortable viewing angle for most setups. One thing to keep in mind is that this model does not support VESA mounting, so you won't be able to attach it to a monitor arm or wall mount. Now let's talk about connectivity. The monitor includes one HDMI 1.4 port and one VGA port, which covers both modern and older devices. Whether you're connecting a laptop, desktop, or even an older PC, you'll have the flexibility you need. What makes this particular version unique is the inclusion of the Docztorm USB hub. This portable hub expands your connectivity with additional USB ports and supports data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. It's a very useful addition, especially if your laptop or PC has limited ports. Instead of buying a separate hub, you get one included right in the package. In terms of real-world usage, this monitor is best suited for productivity, office work, students, and casual users. It's not built for high-end gaming or professional color grading, but it handles everyday tasks extremely well. The combination of IPS visuals, a 100 Hz refresh rate, and eye care features makes it a comfortable and reliable choice for long hours of use. Of course, there are a couple of limitations. The lack of VESA mounting might be a drawback for users who prefer flexible mounting options. Also, while the 100 Hz refresh rate is a nice upgrade, serious gamers will likely want something faster with additional gaming features. But for its target audience, these trade-offs are completely reasonable. Overall, the HP 24-inch 100 Hz IPS monitor is a well-rounded, practical display that delivers solid performance for everyday use. It combines a modern design, smooth visuals, and useful extras like the Docztorm USB hub into a package that's both functional and convenient. If you're upgrading your workspace, setting up a home office, or simply looking for a dependable monitor that gets the job done without complications, this is definitely a great option to consider.